you filthy degenerates.
What?
Just kidding, that's just us.
Why would you say that?
Because we're talking about Decepticons, and they're evil. What else would you say about them?
You start off with just immediately
Insulting?
insulting the audience.
No, it's a compliment. It's a compliment. This week we are doing an Overwrap Fantastic Project reveal on our Starscream SRT Hellcat. Hello Kitty?
Kitty.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow. If you guys remember a few months ago, we did this Decepticon-inspired Transformers design based off of Starscream, and we did the whole wrap and everything. We revealed it at Fuel Fest, but he actually ended up coming back, adding some more things on, including a full frontal clear bra.
Yeah.
Some custom taillight tint prints.
Underhood.
And then the underhood, of course, which is like one of my most favorite Overwrap projects to do. I love doing underhoods. We've been doing a ton of them lately. They're super fun. They're really eye-catching, especially if you go to car shows and you are gonna showcase your car with the hood up.
We've done a lot of Mopars.
Mopars are our thing.
The Mopars have done the most underhoods, I think. Mopar?
Do the Mopar. We did our usual go-to print combo, which is Avery SW900 matte metallic silver, paired with a satin laminate, and then we had a couple little reflective overlays around the eyes of the Decepticon. We basically had our in-house designer Capri just take the outside of the hood design and then kind of mess around with it and add the focal point, which was the Starscream character, into that design. So really, really cool. We love doing these installs. Check it out. We hope you enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching our episode on the Starscream SRT Hellcat upgrades. We hope you like it.
I like it.
I like it a lot. I like it a lot. If you guys want to go above and beyond,
That was
beyond,
very beyond.
with an Overwrap fantastic project, you know we love a challenge. Make sure to reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com if you want to keep up with our daily social. You can find us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and YouTube, of course, at wrapsesh.az and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you dig the Wrapsesh, like, comment, and subscribe.
Wait, before you dig, which one are you trying to
The Punish and Enslaved.
Oh,
I don't know how to be a robot. I'm too wiggly.
you have to be stiff.
Okay. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Or we'll punish and enslave you.
Beep, boop, beep. I'm definitely too wiggly for a robot.